Nama saya Tamba Waldo Pamuka, kelas X IPA 2. Di sini saya akan mempraktekkan pencak silat. Kuda-kuda depan. How to do the front stance in the front with the front leg bend and the back leg straight. Kuda-kuda belakang. The way to do the back stance into from it by resting on the back leg while the heel that I used as a pedestal upgrade with the pelvis. Kuda-kuda silang. Cross stance are formed by placing one foot forward or behind the other foot. Weight is placed on one foot. The other foot is lightly touched with the mountain or the tip of the toe. Kuda-kuda tengah. This is done by extending both legs while bending. Bend the legs so that the body can be lowered. Thus, the location of the body weight when doing the middle stance at the midpoint of the body. Teknik pukulan. Punch in the basic technique of the pencaksilat means to carry out an attack using bare hands as the main component. Tendangan lurus. A strike kick is a kick technique using the toe of the foot with the leg strike. This kick is aimed forward at the target by extending the leg to the toe. Kicks taken with the body upright and strike forward are called strike kick. Tendangan T. T-kicks is an attack that uses one foot on leg. The trajectory is strike forward and hits the heel, sole of the foot and the other side of the foot. Strike key position. Usually used for side attack, targeting all part of the body. Tendangan sabit. The cycle kick in pencaksilat is a kick with a curved foot trajectory of forming a trajectory like a cycle. Takisan atas. Upper parry. Pitch is a parry to protect attack that lead the head. This blocking movement is a technique that is carried out from the bottom up. The other hand protecting the chest. Tangkisan belah tengah. Center split parry done with two arms and pointing out. Tangkisan silang atas. A parry that use both arms. The direction is from top to bottom and vice versa. Tangkisan luar. External parry. The movement is the opposite of inner parry, namely from the inside out. Movement by pulling one hand from top to bottom. The other hand protecting the chest. Tangkisan bawah. This blocking movement is a technique that is carried out from the bottom up. The other hand protecting the chest. Lower parry useful for protecting the legs and thighs. The movement is to pull one hand from top to bottom. The other hand protects the chest. Hindaran hadap. Avoid facing, which is folding by moving the legs so that the position of the body is facing the opponent. Hindaran sisi. Set avoidance, which is avoiding by moving the legs so that the body position is sideways to the opponent. Leg lift avoidance. EA. Avoid by lifting the leg. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih.